So our job, good question. So our job is wherever you are now, can you get better over time, making your back stronger, neck more relaxed, shoulders more relaxed, so overall, you can stand up straight. The straighter you are, the better balance you're going to have, and I'll walk you through what that means. Okay, that's a good point. Okay, or if you have ankle or knee permanent injury, how do you compensate for that? But if once we get to where we feel comfortable wherever it is, how do we work on things to make your body more range of motion, more movement in your neck, hip, and ankle? If they move better, at that point you'll have better balance. A lot of receptors that we have in our body that control our balance come from our neck, hip, and ankle. They interface to the brain to tell your body where it is. If I step off a curb and my body doesn't know what's going on, it can sometimes react normally and catch myself. Sometimes I'm going to fall. I'm assuming everyone here doesn't want to fall. You're not stunt doubles, right? Okay? So our job is to make sure we maintain that. First thing we want to do, and this is my disclosure, is I get someone to this point first. I'm going to show you the balance training test I do with my patients, my exercise, to understand what I want you to get into down the line. We'll work backwards how to get there. Okay? So pay attention, I'll do this only 5 times. Okay? First part, stand up as straight as you can, wherever you are, looking straight ahead. If I do this, what happens? My body gets used to us looking down. I drive down Euclid every day for work. I see people all day, same people like this, walking like this every day. You know, I know why they have back pain. They might not know why, but their body gets stuck like this. Whatever position you exercise in is the posture you're reinforcing. So if you're going to exercise here, again, wherever you're comfortable, that will go back a little bit further. So if I can't stand up straight, I'm going to stand here. First part, balance test, eyes open, looking straight ahead, not at my feet, keeping my body like this. Okay, if you just start with, hold on to a wall, something solid, use your fingers only. That'll give you enough balance to maintain that position so you have the confidence you're not going to fall. If you can walk heel to toe, if not, no big deal. Okay, just walking straight. If that feels good, second part of the balance training exercise is walking the other way, now with your eyes closed. I hear the moans and the groans in the crowd. The mom is coming out. Exactly, so that's the plan, is how do you get there? Okay, the next part of the test, if you want to get to this far, is now walk with your hand against the wall again, now with your eyes open, heel to toe. Okay, that allows your body to use your feet and your ankles and the rest of your muscles of your lower leg to maintain your balance instead of your vision. Okay? The last part for the experts and gurus in the room, other way, now with your eyes closed, heel to toe. It is a struggle, people. It's not easy. It's walking a tightrope. Okay? But again, you get to that point. And when you have that, again, we fall less, we have stronger muscles, and our body stays up here. It's hard to maintain balance here. Okay? So wherever we can get to, where we get here, the body has more flexibility, more motion, more nerves going off, instead of reaching to your brain, you can actually rebalance yourself over time. That's the balance exercise test.